Hello there, you are welcome once again to Mars Clinic series, and in this video we are continuing the series of sharpening your brain with mental mathematics made simple. In this video we want to learn how to know if a number is divisible by 3. Then again we will learn how to divide by 3 in few seconds. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then like. Let's get to the tricks. A number is divisible by 3 if 8 digits add up to a multiple of 3. A number is divisible by 3 if 8 digits add up to a multiple of 3. For example, if I say 78, is it divisible by 3? Can 3 divide 78 without a remainder? So what we do is that we only add 7 and 8. 7 plus 8 is 15, and 15 is a multiple of 3. And so 78 is divisible by 3. 74. If I add 7 and 4, I'm going to get 11. And because 11 is not a multiple of 3, that means I can divide 74 by 3 and there will be a remainder. Let's say I have 234. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 is 9, and 9 is a multiple of 3. And so I can be sure that if I divide 234 by 3, I will get a number without a remainder. What about this huge number, 13,734? Of course, if I add the digits, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 7 is 11, plus 4 again, 3 again is 14, plus 4, 18. So the number is divisible by that. What about 91,060? Okay, 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 6 is 16, and 16 is not a multiple of 3, so we can't divide that by 3. There'll be a remainder. Finally, if I have 92,040, 9 plus 2 will give me 11. 11 plus 4 is 15, and so we can be sure that this huge number is divisible by 3. Okay, now let's learn how to divide a number by 3 in few seconds. If I have 78 divided by 3, what will I do? Okay, so what I'll do is that I have to take note of multiples of 3. I know multiples of 3, I can think of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. All right, now apart from knowing the multiples of 3 like this, also have to know that if I attach 0 to any of these numbers, they are also multiples of 3. Or if I attach 0, 0, I can also be assured that they are also multiples of 3. And that is very easy, because if I divide 300 by 3, all I need to do is divide 3 by 3, which is 1, and attach 0, 0, and so the answer becomes 100. If I know this simple trick, it will guide me to do this in few seconds, right? Okay, now let's move on to that. Okay, so 78 divided by 3, all I'm going to do is very simple. I'm going to say, okay, 60 plus 18 will give me 78. And 60 is a multiple of 3, so I divide here by 3, I divide here by 3. And it's easy to divide 18 by 3. So 60 divided by 3, all I'm going to do is 6 divided by 3 is 2, and attach 0. And 18 divided by 3 is very simple, and that will give me 6. And so the answer becomes 26. And so this division can be done mentally without using pen and paper. Let's see this one. I have 123 divided by 3. I can do 120 plus 3 will give me 123. And 120, I know I can divide by 3 here by 3. 120 is more or less just saying 12 divided by 3, and that will be 4, and attach 0. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and so my answer becomes 41. Or I can break 123 as 60 plus 60 plus 3. And so I know this by 3, this by 3, this by 3. Each of them can be divided easily without using pen and paper. Finally, let's do this huge one. Well, it's very big, but I can do it in few seconds. I will just break this into 900 plus maybe 60 plus 21. Simple. And I know 900, all I need to do is divide 9 by 3, and that is 3, and attach 2 zeros. Here, divide 6 by 3, and that will be 2, and attach my 0. 21 divided by 3 is very simple, and that is 7. And so my answer I can say mentally as 327. Right, so I'm sure this really has helped you. If you practice this mentally, trust me, you're going to sharpen your brain. Thanks so much for watching.